Whether you are a house builder, interior designer, marketing agent, or property developer, you will definitely require good 3D scale models at some point of time. Scale modeling is an art that requires precision and expertise. We have been doing it since 2001, and we know how to create stunning models to make it easier to get an idea of how the property will finally look. We get great satisfaction in making scale models, and we are sure that our architectural models will fill you with wonder too. But why should you make scale models? What do you gain from getting the scale models done? Ever wondered? A physical scale model provides a visual perspective that you can't achieve with blueprints and drawings. A scale model helps you to envision the home so that you can take full advantage of the views, terrain, and other natural elements such as afternoon shade and morning breezes. You aren't limited to straight lines and boxes. Scale model makers like us can easily make curved walls and rounded roof lines for that look you desire. Scale models help architects and contractors communicate effectively with homeowners and clients, ensuring desired results and avoiding expensive changes once the project is under construction. No project is too large or too small. From cityscapes and commercial buildings to homes and swimming pools, if you can design it, we can create a physical model of it. Once the construction project is complete, architectural models make stunning public displays and are an excellent way to showcase your portfolio of projects. Our architectural models show incredible detail. Architectural models help developers for marketing the project to investors, for seeking tenants, and for fundraising. Scale models aren't limited to homes and commercial buildings. We make models of swimming pools, resorts, concept vehicles, trade show booths, movie sets, and just about anything else. Scale models can be made using different materials including polymer, plastics, and landscaping materials.
Your eyes, they were ancient oceans, a drop of solitude, a breath of fresh air. Before the storm, when everything was still.
The type of model determines which material will produce the best results. We can help you choose the material that is best for your project. Architectural scale models quickly communicate design concepts and allow people to easily comprehend a project. Conceptual architecture defines the future. You are only limited by your imagination.
Before the storm, when everything was still, I could touch the silence in the air. Miracles were lighting up the blues as they turned into blacks through the cracks,
Turn your ideas into a miniature reality using scale modeling services. If you hand over your scale modeling requirements to skilled scale modeling services like us, we will take care of all your requirements. All you need to do is to contact us. Give us your designs, let us know how much space you have as well as your budget, and then wait for us to work our magic.
before the storm, when everything seemed so still. I wrote a letter for you. I've never sent.
Thanks for watching. Until next time.